Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to modify text in Bluebeam. If you need to fix a typo, update a word, or replace existing text in PDF, Bluebeam Review includes an edit text tool that lets you modify existing PDF text without going back to the original document. And here's how to get that done. So first things first is to launch the Bluebeam Review desktop and open the PDF containing the text that you want to modify. Then on the menu bar, which is at the top left corner of the screen, just go ahead and click on Edit and PDF. Then go ahead and click on PDF content and click on Edit text. Now, you can also click Edit text from the advanced text toolbar if it is visible. So when the tool is activated, images and other non-editable objects appear grayed out, making the editable text easier to identify. So let's just go ahead and maybe I'm just going to click on an existing document here, and I click on edit, I click on PDF content, and I click on edit text. So you see everything has been grayed out. So click inside the existing text or click and drag to highlight the word or phrase that you want to edit. Then double click a word to select it. All right. And use the arrow keys to move through the text. Press the insert key to switch between insert mode and overwrite mode. Now, to make the change you need, you can replace the text, you can highlight it, you can simply start typing. To delete the text, highlight it and press the delete key to add text. Click where you want the new text to appear and start typing. So let's say I want to replace this text, I can just go ahead and highlight it and start typing. You see, that has changed. So to delete the text, highlight it and press delete key. To add text, just click anywhere and start typing. So Bluebeam automatically attempts to match the existing font, font size, and text style of the surrounding text for its seamless edit. So you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Okay, so if the font doesn't match perfectly, you can just select the edited text and use the properties panel. Let's say this is it. Just select it and head over to the properties panel, and you can just go ahead and adjust the font style, the font here, the font style, the font color, adjust and just make all the necessary changes. So once you're done editing, or once you finish editing, you can just press ESC or switch to another tool, and then your changes are now applied to the PDF. Okay, so that's pretty much how it works. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.